Okay, we got the RTV pulled in the shop. Got some new front tires to put on it. Tiffany and the boys bought me some for Christmas, which that's kind of a gift that'll work for all of us. So I wasn't too upset about that. I didn't want them to spend much on me, but something we needed, and I'm glad they did. The back tires are still pretty good, so I won't be putting them on yet. They got decent tread still. The front tires are racing slicks. There's nothing left on them. So, need to change oil and service this thing anyways. Thought I'd get the front wheels pulled off, see if we can get the tires mounted. May have to take them somewhere. Sometimes these four-wheeler tires are hard to get broke down, but we'll try it and see. I hope they're tubeless. I'm pretty sure they are. But we'll get after it. Now, get our valve core tool. It should be in here somewhere. I just can't see in my drawer good enough to find it. It's a step stool. There it is. Getting them broke down from the bead, that's where you have problems on a four-wheeler tire, because they seat on there pretty tight. Well, being stubborn. Being stubborn. Okay, I changed where this thing mounts, and it popped it right off. Now, spray around the bead. These rims look the same. You should be able to take it off from either side. Well, let's see what size that is. Make sure I put the right one on it. $24, $9, $12. Make sure the tread is facing the right direction. And that would be like that right there. It's supposed to be. It almost went. I got it up on this rack, which I should have done to start with. That way the tire was sitting down on the bottom bead good, and then it just had to blow this top bead to hub. And once it's seated, I put the valve core back in, and it stayed. Now I'll just air up the tire to the pressure it needs to be. That last tire gave me a fit trying to get it to take air. The beads had sunk in from shipping, and I never got it to blow out there to where the bead would seat, but finally got it. If it wasn't for that bead blaster thing, it'd be hard to change tires. I don't see how people do it hardly without them. But I guess we'll get the oil changed in this thing.